A Ford Capri with a distinctive silver fox finish has recently been put up for auction, being described as highly desirable. This flash motor, released in 1970, holds the title of the brand's fastest production vehicle at that time. The 1970 Ford Capri 3000 GT, often hailed as a 70s icon, boasts a tuned-up 3-liter V6 engine producing 138 horsepower, capable of reaching 124 miles per hour, featuring the original factory livery. The car has covered just under 34,000 miles and includes a matte black bonnet, complementing the rest of its bodywork finished in Ford's unique silver fox shade, giving it a brushed metal appearance. Drawing design inspiration from the legendary Mustang, the Capri GT stands out with its long bulky bonnet, short rear end, and sleek lines. The current owner has invested significantly in maintaining this classic beauty, claiming it turns heads everywhere it goes. Inside, the black vinyl seats and carpeted floors add a touch of class, while the retro dash design features prominent dials. Mechanically restored by the Brightwell Motor Company of Hockley, Essex, the car is presented as a comprehensive and professional example. Listed on Car and Classic, the description highlights the car's overall desirability and its striking appearance in the original silver fox and matte black color scheme. The owner emphasizes meticulous care and maintenance, with the car never being driven in adverse weather conditions. Despite the owner's initial intention to keep the car indefinitely, a move to Ireland without private garage space has necessitated the sale. The asking price for this GT is currently £29,995. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share it. See you in the next one.